Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and today we are in a crawl space in Frankfort, Delaware, and I'm going to show you some good things. I'm going to show you some bad things that you need to think about when you have your crawl space waterproof and encapsulated. We're going to do that right after this. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is a proper French drain or drain tile system going all the way around the perimeter here, leading to a proper sub pump. I've already looked in the hole over there. It is perforated. The water is getting into there. As you can see, that goes all the way around. They even got some veins that are going right through the middle section here, so all that is good. They've done a very good job. There's no standing water here. That's a good drain system that they have, but the mold situation, due to how much water was in here and the high relative humidity, that has to be taken care of. There's multiple layers of insulation. That's all going to have to be removed, but it is so wet down here that you're starting to get wood decaying fungi setting in as well. So, and you can see, look over here and what's really happening. Okay, so you got mold growing there, typical that you see in the crawl space all the time, especially if you watch these videos. All right. Now, wood decay fungi, these are mycelial fans. All right, this is a real good indication that all this wood is going to really start getting broke down. So now you're going to be looking at some structural issues. Again, you can see the mycelial fans. You can see the lignin that's in this. So all wood decay fungi, much different than just your typical mold. You can see it over here, all the way through here, and how it's spreading all the way down through that beam. Now I'm just getting started, so I've only been in this crawl space for about 5-10 minutes and got a lot of inspection to do. But again, you're seeing mycelial fans and things of that nature. You really need to get us here, because you've got some major structural issues that are about to happen. These floor joists may even need to get replaced. They definitely need to be treated with a fungicide, and this area needs to really be controlled. The relative humidity less than 60%, and we'll get it set down here at about 45%. Get all this treated, remediated, taken care of, and stop all this structural damage that's going on right now. If you have a crawl space that if you have a crawl space that you're looking to have waterproofed, encapsulated, or just want a free inspection to see what yours is like, give Hydro Hero a call, 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com. If you're watching this on Facebook, please hit the like and share. And if you are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.